This video is going to show you how to do the angle base. We are progressing quite a bit here in CAD, so I'm going to let you do most of the drawings. I do want to show you just a few things. Maybe we can read these dimensions a little better here. So I'm going to zoom in so you'll be able to see the dimensions. We're going to start by going to a new, and I want you to use your title block metric that we made in the previous assignment. And then open that up, and then I want you to find the center of your sheet, and I want you to come down 40 millimeters from the center of our sheet, and then that's where we're going to start our line. We're going to come down 40 from the center and over 100. This will be the corner where we start our drawing. I want you to do some construction lines, so these will be construction lines that you find your starting point. And then these are construction lines that show you where your center of your circle is located. This time we're going to do the radius. In the last assignment, we used the diameter. To find the radius, you would just click on the one that says radius. Last time we did the diameter. So this is a radius of 12. This is the radius of 25. And it's pointing to, you can tell which circle it is pointing to. And then you'll do your dimensions accordingly. This looks a little confusing here, but what I want you to do is draw it in their different layers. So if it looks a little confusing, you can come up here and you can hide this layer. So now our construction lines are gone and you only see the objects and the dimensions. And then you'll also be able to hide your dimensions. So this is just the object. Whenever you save this, I would like for you to save it like this, but the dimension lines will be in there, and then whenever I grade it, I will turn on the construction lines to make sure your construction lines are there. I will turn on your dimensions, so your dimension line will be there. And then the text, I do not have the text in the bottom, but you can add your text here. If you would like, and to make it easier, you can open one of your previous templates that has this filled out. You can just highlight just the word part. You don't highlight the whole thing, but just highlight the data that you put in there, and you can copy and paste that and put that into this one, so you don't have to fill that data out each time. All you have to do is change the dates. So you will have to change just a couple of dates on the new one. You'll have to change the title. So this is an angle base with what your title will go here. Your sheet number and the scale is all one, drawn by the same person, I hope. Hope you're not letting somebody else do your drawings. And I will still be checking it. So all you have to do is change the date here and the date there and the title, if you just copy and paste them from your last one. So again, this video is just kind of to show you what to do and show you your dimensions and show you how to orient it and how to get started. So when you're done, I want you to save this as an angle base and then submit it into Blackboard like we have done in the past.